Alright guys, I'm Andrew. I'm a tech for Toyota, and I want to show you guys how to not break these oil filter housings. Come in here and check this out. So if you put our little oil filter cup on here, when we start to push, you notice it's not coming loose. And in fact, this thing's already kind of twisted on here and got stuck. Pop it the other way to get it off. If you just go and grab a bigger friggin' ratchet, you're gonna break this thing. So let me show you the right way to do this. And we can do it with an air hammer, which is pretty cool. If you don't have air, you don't have an air hammer, you do it with a ball peen hammer. Just a regular length ratchet. Move your bucket out of the way. Get this on the cup. You'll notice it's beat up here. I've had to do this a lot, right? So we're just gonna hit, and as we hit with the hammer, we're also gonna push with our hand on the handle of the ratchet. There it is, right there. Go ahead and get that thing loose. And now it'll twist and come all the way off. If you look down here, I prefer this one. This is a Blue Point off the Snap-on trucks, one of the only tools worth getting off the Snap-on truck. And the reason I like it versus these, which I have, each $50 a piece by Lyle, is these have these little protrusions here, and they're designed to kind of engage with these grooves here. There's one style, here's the other. The issue with this is as these corners round out and this thing turns, because you got your big ass ratchet on it trying to break it loose, these will crack these little ears, and then you'll have a leak. Either you'll catch it now or you'll get a recheck because it leaks. You don't need that. You just need a regular ratchet, ball peen hammer. Thanks.